Yes! Yeah, squeaky glass sound effect. Get it here at emotionarray.com sound effects. Oh, I wonder what it sounds like. Hey, everyone, let's have a fucking listen, shall we?
Preview.
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 Preview. Preview.
What is that noise anyway? It doesn't even sound like a glass. I can't not hear the monkey in this, okay?
Preview. 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 Preview.
Man, I kept just like hitting the dirt there. I mean, it's time to polish these off. All right, let's polish them.
Preview. Preview. Preview.
All right, we better do the other one.
Preview. Preview. Preview.
All right, well that's clean enough. All right, let's carry on. You have the glass squeaking sound effect. Can I show you something? Yeah, I'm turning everything off.
Preview. 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 Preview.
So hopefully you can hear where the sounds are coming from. All the sounds are just from that fucking thing. Preview. Yeah! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh, isn't that sick? Who knew that would do it? Yeah, it's music producing stream! Woo! Yeah! Oh my god! Whoa! Yeah, preview! Yeah, the tutorial makers can't like steal my content now. This puzzle's confusing. I wish I could focus. Like, no variation to the song at all. It's driving me insane.